Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about a topic that I think is very important and relevant for all of us. Making decisions need courage. We all face decisions every day, big or small, simple or complex, personal or professional. Some decisions are easy to make, like what to eat for breakfast or what to watch on Netflix. But some decisions are hard to make, like whether to quit your job, move to another country, start a new relationship, or end an old one. These hard decisions often involve uncertainty, risk, change, and potential loss. They can make us feel anxious, stressed, confused, and overwhelmed. We may procrastinate, avoid, or delegate them to others. We may seek advice from friends, family, experts, or the internet. We may look for signs, signals, or validation from the universe. But ultimately, the decision is ours to make. And making decisions need courage. What is courage? Courage is not the absence of fear, but the ability to act in spite of fear. Courage is not being reckless or impulsive, but being thoughtful and intentional. Courage is not being stubborn or arrogant, but being humble and open-minded. Courage is not something that we are born with or without. Courage is something that we can develop and practice. Courage is a skill that we can learn and improve. How can we do that? Here are some tips that I have found helpful in my own experience of making courageous decisions. First, clarify your values and goals. What matters most to you in life? What do you want to achieve or avoid? What are your priorities and preferences? Knowing your values and goals can help you evaluate your options and align your decisions with your true self. Second, gather relevant information and perspectives. What are the facts and evidence that you need to consider? What are the pros and cons of each option? What are the possible outcomes and consequences? What are the opinions and experiences of others who have faced similar situations? Seeking information and perspectives can help you understand your situation better and make more informed decisions. Third, weigh the risks and benefits. What are the potential costs and rewards of each option? How likely are they to happen? How important are they to you? How do they compare with each other? Assessing the risks and benefits can help you balance your emotions and logic and make more rational decisions. Fourth, trust your intuition and judgment. What does your gut feeling tell you? What do you think is the best option for you? What do you feel most comfortable with? Listening to your intuition and judgment can help you tap into your subconscious wisdom and make more authentic decisions. Fifth, commit to your decision and take action. Once you have made your decision, stick to it and follow through. Don't second-guess yourself or regret your choice. Don't let fear or doubt stop you from taking action. Taking action can help you overcome inertia and resistance and make more effective decisions. Making decisions need courage, but courage can also lead to better decisions. When we make courageous decisions, we can grow as a person, learn new things, discover new opportunities, solve problems, achieve goals, and create positive change. So next time you face a hard decision, don't be afraid. Be courageous. You have what it takes to make the best decision for yourself. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And let me know in the comments below, what is a courageous decision that you have made recently or want to make soon? Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.